On PixelPAD, we can detect if an object inside our game has been clicked. For this example, I have Bob flying in a balloon. On my game's loop tab, I'm checking if the left button of my mouse was pressed. If so, I destroy Bob's balloon. However, I want to be able to destroy the exact balloon I'm clicking on, instead of destroying Bob's balloon every time I click on the game. To do that, our mouse has to be able to detect collisions with other objects. First, we are going to need a class to be our mouse collider. I will call this class Pointer. I will then create this class inside my game by typing pointer brackets brackets in my game's start tab. Now I have to make that pointer to follow my mouse around. Let's go to the pointer class loop tab and type this code to keep updating the pointer's position to always be the same position as my mouse. As you can see, the pointer is already following my mouse. Now our pointer just needs a collider. On PixelPAD, a collider is a sprite, so we can get the slicer sprite from the asset store that is just a white dot. Be aware that the size of the sprite you get will be the size of your mouse collider. Now I will go inside my pointer's start tab and assign it our new sprite. Back to my game's loop tab, all I have to do now is to check if my pointer is colliding with a balloon after I click. If it is colliding with a balloon, I can get the exact balloon I'm clicking on and destroy it. Done! We are now able to pop all the balloons we click on. And in case you want to hide your pointer, make it to be created before your background.